Welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today, we're going to take a look at the concealed hinge. This hinge allows you to design doors with hidden hinges when the door is closed. The hinge mounts to the inside of the frame, which makes the enclosures more secure, as the hinge cannot be dismantled when the door is shut. They're easy to install and are available in both fractional and metric, require no machining, and are compatible across a wide range of profile series. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the concealed hinge is a standalone part, and that bolt assemblies will be needed to install it. Recommended bolt assemblies for the concealed hinge can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. When it comes to installing the concealed hinge, you'll start with one half of the hinge and install bolts and T-nuts into it. We'll get that on there, and then we'll grab our frame and we'll slide it into the open T-slot. We'll get that into position. We'll take our wrench and we'll tighten that down. Now once we have that half on, we'll set that aside. We'll take our door and we'll do the same thing to the other half of the hinge and install it with two bolts and T-nuts. We'll slide into the open T-slot. We'll get it right where we want it. And we'll take our wrench and tighten it down. Now once we have both halves of the hinge installed, we're ready to put the door and the frame together. Simply just drop the door onto the frame. From there, you got your hinge in use. Now hopefully you found this segment on the concealed hinge helpful. For more information, please visit 8020.net and be sure to subscribe for future videos. And as always, make it a great day.